Welcome to HVAC Academy with Wahid. My name is Wahid. Today we are going to talk about how the refrigerant cycle works. In refrigeration, we have five major components, which is the compressor, the condenser, the dry filter, the metering device, and the evaporator. These are the five major components in refrigeration. This is your compressor, this is your condenser, this is the dry filter, this is the metering device, this is the evaporator. And some people don't know what metering device is. We have different types of metering device. We have thermostatic expansion valve, we have electronic expansion valve, we have capillary. Capillary too is part of metering device in most cases, but here we are using the capillary. This is your compressor, condenser, dry filter, metering device, which is your capillary, and evaporator. These are the five major components in refrigeration cycle. This is how it works. When the compressor started working, it pumps out high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor. High pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor comes out from the compressor throughout the condenser. After the condenser, it changes to high pressure, high temperature refrigerant liquid. That is why it's called the liquid line. So this is the liquid line. From here, high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor comes out from the compressor, then pass through the condenser. After the condenser, it changes to high pressure, high temperature refrigerant liquid, then to the dry filter. What dry filter does is to absorb the moisture and the dirt inside the whole system, then passes to the metering device. The metering device now reduces the pressure of the gas to low pressure, low temperature refrigerant liquid. Metering device regulates the gas to low pressure, low temperature refrigerant liquid, then goes to the evaporator. In the evaporator, after the evaporator, it now changes back to low pressure, low temperature refrigerant vapor. This is how it works. From the compressor here now, high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor. This is the condenser. It changes it to high pressure, high temperature refrigerant liquid. And to the dry filter, you filter the air dust, the unwanted air in the system, and the dust, particles, everything inside. Then passes to the metering device. After the metering device, it changes to low pressure, low temperature refrigerant liquid. Then to the evaporator. After the evaporator, it now changes the states to low pressure, low temperature refrigerant vapor. This is how it works continuously. This is how the cycle works. And this applies to refrigerator, your AC, your air condition, either industrial or domestic air condition. Then even the VRF, the VRV unit. This is how it works. Thanks for watching HVAC Academy with Wahid. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.